Welcome back to Health Morph, where we transform complex health science into actionable advice. The gut-brain axis, the powerful communication system between your digestive tract and brain, is revolutionizing how we understand wellness. Your gut contains over 500 million neurons and produces more than 90% of your body's serotonin, directly influencing your mental state. The trillions of bacteria in your gut microbiome impact everything from immune function to cognitive abilities. Studies show poor gut health correlates with anxiety, depression, and even neurodegenerative conditions. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 doctor-recommended foods that specifically optimize your gut-brain connection. Each one is backed by scientific research. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Food number 1, fermented foods. First up, fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir. These contain live beneficial bacteria that directly support your microbiome. A Stanford University study found that fermented foods increase microbiome diversity and decrease inflammatory markers throughout the body. During fermentation, bacteria create compounds that feed beneficial gut bacteria and strengthen your gut barrier. This prevents inflammatory molecules from entering your bloodstream and reaching your brain, reducing brain fog and cognitive decline. Look for products with live and active cultures on the label. With yogurt, choose plain varieties with no added sugar. Even a small daily serving, like 2 tablespoons of kimchi, can significantly improve your gut microbiome over time. Food number 2, leafy greens. Next are leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These nutrient-dense foods offer unique benefits for your gut-brain connection. They're rich in insoluble fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria and contain folate, essential for producing mood-regulating neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Leafy greens are also packed with magnesium, which helps regulate stress response and supports brain plasticity, and compounds that support gut bacteria that produce butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that reduces inflammation and protects brain health. Aim for at least 1 cup daily. Add them to smoothies, stir-fries, or soups if you don't enjoy salads. Food number 3, fatty fish. Third are fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish provide omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, critical for both gut and brain health. Your brain is nearly 60% fat, with DHA making up about 30% of brain fat and crucial for cognitive function. Research shows omega-3s modify your gut microbiome, increasing beneficial bacteria that produce anti-inflammatory compounds. They also increase intestinal alkaline phosphatase, an enzyme that decreases gut inflammation and strengthens the gut barrier. Aim to eat fatty fish twice weekly. Consider algae-based omega-3 supplements if you don't eat fish. Food number 4, berries. Fourth are berries, blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries. Berries contain flavonoids, especially anthocyanins, which accumulate in brain regions involved in learning and memory. Harvard research found women who consumed more berries experienced slower cognitive decline by up to 2.5 years. For gut health, berries provide fiber that feeds beneficial bacteria, particularly bifidobacteria, which produce important compounds supporting both gut and brain health. They also have a low glycemic index, preventing blood sugar spikes that cause inflammation. Fresh or frozen berries work equally well. Aim for at least half a cup daily. Food number 5, turmeric. Fifth is turmeric, containing curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can cross the blood-brain barrier. Studies show curcumin may improve depression and anxiety symptoms, with one finding it as effective as Prozac. For gut health, curcumin maintains intestinal barrier integrity and favors beneficial bacteria. Important tip: combine turmeric with black pepper, as piperine in pepper enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Add turmeric to soups, stews, or make a turmeric latte with a pinch of black pepper. Food number 6. Nuts and seeds. Sixth are nuts and seeds, particularly walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. They provide fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, supporting both systems. Walnuts contain alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3, and polyphenols that feed beneficial gut bacteria. Research found walnuts alter gut bacteria to produce more butyrate, crucial for gut barrier function and brain health. Flax seeds and chia seeds are also excellent sources of omega-3s and fiber, regulating blood sugar and preventing inflammation. Aim for a small handful of nuts, or 1 to 2 tablespoons of seeds daily. Food number 7. Prebiotic foods. Seventh are prebiotic foods: garlic, onions, leeks, and asparagus. These contain specialized fibers that feed beneficial gut bacteria. Rich in inulin and fructooligosaccharides, they promote growth of bifidobacteria and lactobacillus, bacterial strains associated with better mental health. Research shows prebiotics increase production of short-chain fatty acids that strengthen the gut barrier and reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. Garlic has additional antibacterial properties that help balance the gut microbiome. Include at least 1 prebiotic food daily in your cooking. Food number 8. Olive oil. Eighth is extra virgin olive oil, rich in polyphenols with anti-inflammatory effects similar to ibuprofen but without side effects. These polyphenols also function as prebiotics. Its high monounsaturated fat content reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Research found older adults consuming the most olive oil had better cognitive function and lower cognitive decline risk. For gut health, olive oil increases gut bacteria diversity and reduces harmful bacteria growth. Quality matters. Choose extra virgin in dark glass bottles. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons daily as your primary cooking oil. Food number 9. Dark chocolate. Ninth is dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao content. Rich in flavonols with antioxidant properties, these compounds improve brain blood flow, enhancing cognitive function. Research shows cocoa flavonols may promote new neuron formation and improve learning and memory. For gut health, dark chocolate acts as a prebiotic. Studies found when gut bacteria digest chocolate, they produce anti-inflammatory compounds benefiting both gut and brain. Choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao and minimal added sugar. Enjoy about 1 ounce a few times weekly. Food number 10. Green tea. Finally, green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid increasing alpha wave activity in the brain, promoting calm alertness. Combined with its caffeine, it improves attention and cognitive function. Its polyphenols, particularly EGCG, reduce inflammation in both gut and brain and act as prebiotics. Research found regular green tea consumption associates with better cognitive function and reduced cognitive decline risk. For gut health, green tea increases bifidobacteria, which produce compounds strengthening the gut barrier. Aim for 2 to 3 cups daily, having your last cup before 2 p.m. if caffeine sensitive. Conclusion. To recap, these gut-brain supporting foods are 1. Fermented foods, 2. Leafy greens, 3. Fatty fish, 4. Berries, 5. Turmeric, 6. Nuts and seeds, 7. Prebiotic foods, 8. Olive oil, 9. Dark chocolate, 10. Green tea. These foods don't just target one system, they support the entire gut-brain axis, reducing inflammation, supporting beneficial bacteria, and providing essential nutrients for brain function. Try adding 1 new food from this list to your diet each week. By the end of 10 weeks, you'll have transformed your eating patterns to support your gut-brain connection. Please like, subscribe to Health Morph, and comment which of these foods you're excited to try. Thank you for watching.